Have you ever wondered this question to yourself? Could you really be held legally responsible for your parents' nursing home bills? Well, it might surprise you to learn, but the answer is yes, at least in some states. And that is under a certain kind of law called a filial responsibility law, family responsibility. Hi there. My name is Bill O'Leary, and by way of introduction, I'm from Legacy Planning Law Group in Jacksonville, Florida, focusing here on estate planning, probate, and elder law. By the way, if you're planning for long-term care or supporting aging parents, subscribe to our channel for more practical estate and elder law guidance. So we're going to dive into this topic here for this video, understanding and avoiding filial responsibility laws. So in this video, you're going to learn two things. One, what a filial responsibility law is, and two, why planning ahead is so important to avoid getting caught under that law and held liable for a loved one's long-term care cost. So let's talk about it. Understanding and avoiding these filial responsibility laws. So what are filial responsibility laws? These are state laws, passed by a certain state that can require adult children to financially support their indigent parents, especially when it comes to long-term care costs, things like nursing home costs. Now, while not all states enforce them, over 20 states still have them on the books, and in rare cases, they've been used in court. Although, let me point out that Florida has not adopted these laws. Now, in most situations, look, Medicaid picks up the bill for long-term care. But if, let's say, your parent doesn't qualify, or maybe there's a delay or a denial in coverage, the provider, the facility may come to you, the adult child, for payment. That's why it's so important to plan ahead. So here are a few ways to avoid being caught off guard. Number one, help your parents qualify for Medicaid early on by working with an experienced elder law attorney. And this includes protecting assets legally and meeting eligibility requirements in a timely fashion. Number two, use long-term care insurance where possible, because you see that can reduce the reliance or dependence on Medicaid and prevent financial strain on family members. Three, avoid informal agreements to pay bills unless you're fully prepared to take on the responsibility. Once you start paying, it can be a whole lot harder to step back. And four, keep clear of financial sort of boundaries. So if you're let's say your parents in a facility, don't sign the admission paperwork that says you are a guarantor or personally responsible unless you mean it. Read it carefully, even the legalese. Look, every family situation is unique and the laws vary state by state, so it's really important to get good legal guidance that fits your circumstances. By the way, if you're concerned about filial responsibility or just long-term care planning in general, contact us here at Legacy Planning Law Group to talk through your options. We're here to help. And so we would invite you to schedule that initial contact, a discovery phone call. That's what we call it, our 15-minute call, which is free, a call with our staff. Scheduling is easy. Just go to the pop-up box appearing at the bottom of this video, click on it, and takes you to a scheduling calendar. Pick the day and time that works for you. If you have found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe for more, and drop by your questions in the comments section below. So, Bill O'Leary, I'm going to sign off for now in this video. Go make it a great day and a better world until we talk again. And thank you very much for watching. Catch you on the next video.